Hello, and welcome to the SmartDreamers Measure tutorial, where we will give an overview of the reporting module, along with step-by-step guidance for building your first data dashboard. SmartDreamers Measure acts as an analytics command center by collecting and centralizing data from all your social media platforms, job portals, analytic tools, and metrics imported from the ATS or CRM of choice. The result is a complete end-to-end analysis of the candidate journey and your overall talent acquisition performance. There are two main components of the measure model: the dashboard and the listings. The first component uses a series of charts to offer a comprehensive visual representation of your talent acquisition funnel. The data for these visualizations is collected from metrics and datasets imported from the full spectrum of integrated recruitment sources, which you can find listed in tables under the Campaigns and Career page tabs. Here, you can also add new custom data sources that can be featured in their own dedicated selections. As you get started creating your first dashboard, you'll have a choice between the following two options. Select a template for users who'd like some guidance or inspiration, or start out with a blank canvas. The available templates are based on highly relevant and frequently requested metrics and cater to the three main data sources in the platform: social media, analytics, and job boards. These help create an easily accessible overview and performance analysis of the entire talent acquisition spectrum. After you've decided on a template, you can either choose to preview the dashboard or start using it immediately. In preview mode, you can visualize all the charts contained in your chosen template and decide whether this represents your best option for showcasing the results of your recruiting efforts. Keep in mind that the data displayed will only cover the past 30 days, so don't worry if some of the charts appear to be blank. Once you've decided on your template, you can specify the appropriate time frame for the dataset. By using a template, you can navigate different time frames to see their impact on all the charts and numbers. To further enhance the template, go to Edit Dashboard. Here you can add, delete, and change the chart types, metrics, and sources. You can also play with how these charts are displayed. When satisfied, just save your changes to create a new custom dashboard. If instead of using a template, you opt to build your dashboard from a blank canvas, you'll see the same editing interface. The structure here is intuitive, automatically assisting you as you iterate and translate your ideas into a cohesive visual output. For starters, you'll assign a name to your dashboard. And then you'll start creating your charts. The left-hand side contains the editing options, while the right side of the screen offers real-time visualization of your choices as you go. Each dashboard allows you to choose your audience. Either select all teams from the drop-down list, or choose one or more teams who can view and edit the dashboards. The charts available in the editor corresponds to the selected source. Social media, where you can choose between all the platforms in your account or manually select platforms as needed. Analytics, relevant for your career page performance. Or job boards, which includes all of your integrated portals. If no source is selected, the metrics listing will display all of your aggregated data by default, and then filtered based on the sources selected for each chart. To further illustrate the process, we'll choose two example charts, each with its own specified source. For social media, the compared evolution chart might be a good choice. This scenario compares two or more metrics, where each data point is the average of the metrics values from all the selected sources. First, you input the chart name. Select the social media source, and then add the desired metrics you'd like to compare. In this case, each metric will be displayed separately with its own trend line. With the Show Up To option, users can filter and select their top-performing social media sources in terms of average value as needed. Just like in preview mode, the editing interface will display datasets limited to the past 30 days. After saving, timeframes can be adjusted as needed. In the second example, we'll showcase the analytics source by selecting the pie chart, where the desired metric will be displayed based on your dimensions and filters. Just like before, the number of slices will feature the top 6 dimension values, where 6 is the number of slices broken down by the chosen metric and filter applied. The metric and group options are only applied to the selected source. Here we have the top 6 age groups diversified by the number of users, where the number of users is the metric and the age categories are the group by dimension. These optional filters further refine your pie chart by displaying data that reflects the specified conditions. In this example, you can further split your dataset and find out the number of users visiting and interacting with your career page, diversified by their age groups and restricted to a specific medium. Once you're done refining the filters, size and placement can be customized as desired. All created dashboards or templates used will be displayed in the dashboard's top menu listing. They'll also be available in the dashboard interface, where you can easily switch between them. To remove, simply click Edit and then Delete. This will remove your dashboard from both listings. The database powering the dashboards can be found under the Reporting component, which hosts all the metrics for your campaigns and career pages. Here, the data is structured via multidimensional charts and tables. The Campaigns tab features past performance of any campaigns you've launched. In terms of advertisers, job boards, and applicant tracking systems, with any relevant information exportable via Excel file. The Career Page tab aggregates performance data for the company's career page, focusing on the candidate's journey as they convert from visitors into applicants. For more information, please check our Help Center or log into your SmartDreamers account. Thank you for watching.